back to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you definitely should, because when I'm not posting on YouTube, I am posting on Instagram, like my favorite like skin products and hair products and like just what I've been up to. Today's video is going to be all about my curly hair routine. I haven't done one of these in so long, and I definitely haven't done one with my hair colored. Like, I filmed when my hair was pink. I filmed the curly hair routine. I filmed the curly hair routine when my hair was purple, and I just never edited them and it never went up. So now we're here, and there is definitely some bleach damage that has affected my hair. So I had to like change it up, try to find out what's best for my bleached hair. Alright, so to start, I'm just going to part my hair. I parted it so messy. Yeah. But so I'm taking my spray bottle and my favorite Devacurl One Condition Decadence conditioner is so I love the slip. I use so much of this. The big bottle's honestly amazing. I use my Denman brush too, guys. The Denman brush is honestly a big part of why my curls have been doing good. The Denman brush just helps like define my curls so much. If you don't have a Denman brush, you should definitely get one. Okay, and then after I condition, I use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I use like 1 or 2 handfuls on each section. I used to not like it, but now I really like it for my bleached hair, and yeah, it's just really good product. So now I'm just continuing the process. So I do the conditioner, and then I detangle, and then I put the curling enhancing smoothie on top. I don't use too much of the curling enhancing smoothie. I am generous with it, but I don't use too much, because if you use too much on your hair, it can become greasy or a little weighed down. Just continue to do this throughout my entire hair and like the sections. The most important part for me is the Denman brush part and the scrunching part, because the scrunching part helps my curls like bounce back up, I guess. It like just trains them to like be poppin', because with bleach it's easy for them to be like a little dead. So when I scrunch them up, it's like I'm really encouraging the curls to curl up. So it's very important if you have bleach hair to make sure you're scrunching your curls. I also forgot to mention these Devacurl bottles, these big bottles, I actually get them on Groupon for like $30. Originally they're like $40, but these bottles have honestly lasted me like 4 to 5 months. Like, me and my sister both use this Arc Angel gel, and it's like maybe more than halfway full, so it's pretty good. I don't know, I think it's a good deal. Also, I didn't mention this, but I used the Shea Moisture and Hemp Mongogo hair mask, and I used the Devacurl No Poo Decadence shampoo before I did this. That Shea Moisture mask is freaking amazing. If you have bleached or chemically treated hair, you need it. But now I am just diffusing. This is actually not the diffuser that I use, but I'm actually at my house and not my dorm, and I left my other blow dryer at my dorm, so this was all I had, and this is what I was using. And I diffuse, honestly, it takes like 30 minutes to 35 minutes to diffuse my hair, but that's better than waiting like 8 hours for it to dry. So I love to diffuse because it gives me a lot of volume, and I honestly embrace the frizz. I know some people don't like it, but I do. So yeah, thanks. The Devacurl gel is amazing, and I think it feels like water, and it's just so freaking good, the Arc Angel gel. But I know that not everybody has money to buy Diva, because I don't even really have that much money to buy Diva. Like, it's so expensive. Me and my sister, we both have curly hair, so we honestly just be splitting the costs. If you don't want to spend heck of money on Diva, I totally get. You can definitely check out this Eco Styler gel. This is the gold one. The olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil and flaxseed. Oh my god, I freaking love this gel. I love Eco Gel. I have like 3 Eco Gels. I have the argan oil one, I got the coconut oil one, and I got the gold one, which is amazing. I would say that the gold one is like closest to the Devacurl Arc Angel, so I use this when I'm not using the Devacurl Arc Angel. So I think that this is a really good dupe, or like another good gel that you could use, that, you know, so you don't have to spend $30–40 on a Devacurl gel. And the fact that it's gold is just so pretty. I don't know, I love it. I trust Eco Gel. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And it's honestly, this routine has been helping me a lot. And can we just talk about that Shea Moisture mongogo hemp mask? Oh my god, I want to do a video all dedicated to specifically just that hair mask because it's freaking great. It smells so good. The slip's amazing. Like, I freaking love that product. I think that it does a good job of like just helping my hair get back to where it needs to be. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one.